Well, maybe some of you will find this a little entertaining. So check this out. Remember, this is the ground that's hot, where I determined that this roof material is hot. I'm getting shocked when my knees are wet and they're on this kind of moist rooftop, and I touch the metal here, I'm getting zapped. Well, I noticed something else. Take a really close look at this ground. What do you notice here? What's that look like? Does that possibly look like somebody only has electrical tape around the ground, then they have the lug, but they electrical tape in, they're actually not touching at all? And maybe they determined they had a problem and they were getting zapped and they're getting arcing, so they decided not to ground and that isolated the unit. Who knows? But check this out. Okay, now here's the power. Whoa. Whoa. And that's hot. And yeah, that's nice. So we got a floating ground that's not really ground. I'm gonna dissect that and take that apart on video when I get back to this. I'm gonna throw this on the vacuum pump, and yeah, they got some issues going on here. All right, I'll see you. We got a hot roof, and I think we have a ground that's not a ground.